Hello student, here welcome in our SST class. I am Madhuri Bharata. I am SST. Today we will continue our chapter number 25. Today's our topic is stereotypes. A stereotype is the assumption or generalization of all the members of the group based on the image often collected about the people of the group are. For example, the boys are given the car to play, मतलब लड़कों को कार दी जाती है खेलने के लिए, while the girls are given the dolls, लड़कियों को डॉल दी जाती है. It can be seen the way of the preparing them in their various roles, and the boys are the taught to dominate girls, and girls are taught to be the observant. Gender discrimination can be seen in all around us. Gender discrimination चारों तरफ देखा जा सकता है. While it affects the women the most, men also often troubled by the gender stereotyping. The gender stereotyping often prevent the men from the choosing the dance and the nursing trouble, and gender stereotyping often the prevent the from the choosing dance and nursing, dressing, designing etc. and the प्रोफेशन में भी उनको मोस्टली चूज़ करने को दिया जाता है. जेंडर इक्वलिटी इज़ द बेस्ड ऑन द एक्सप्रेशन इन द ह्यूमन प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द फीमेल feticide and female infanticide in India. This lead to be the decline in the sex rates, and according to the census of India 2011, for every 1000 boys there are the 940 girls. मतलब 1000 लड़कों पर 9040 लड़कियां हैं. Ideally the figure should be the balance. Gender role in the public places. For a long time the woman was viewed as an object, and this thought influenced the attitude of the people toward women. A serious feature of the public places is the increasing the number of the incident of violence against women is taking the place these days. The woman is the subject to the act of the teasing and the station rape and the sexual harassment. Very often in the woman who is blamed is dressing them, behaving improperly, and inequality in the economical values. Gender equality is also found in the economical field of the employment and occupation, and also the women have to face the discrimination in the term of the wages and treatment. Women को ही discrimination face करना पड़ता है, since they are not to supported to the hard works, and they are the incapable for coming from the distant places and not fit for night duties, और night duty के लिए वो fit नहीं होती हैं. Therefore they have to face the discrimination in the term of the wages and the allowance. Even today the most of the cases women are not given to the share of their parents properly, and it is also a kind of the economical inequality for the women because of their socio-economical factor, and the women folk find themselves helpless and neglected in the society. But now our government has made many efforts to stop the gender inequality, and our Prime Minister launched बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ ये आंदोलन स्कीम स्टार्ट की 22 जनवरी 2015 में एट द पानीपत हरियाणा. Addresses the decline the child sex ratio and related to the issue women employ over the life cycle of continue to it with the dimensional effort of the Minister of the Women and Child Development, Health and the Family Welfare and Human Resources Development, and similarly many schemes have been launched as a Sukanya समृद्धि योजना एक्सेट्रा. इसके बाद हम देखेंगे फैक्टर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर जेंडर इनइक्वलिटी, इसके लिए कौन कौन से फैक्टर रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड द डाउरी सिस्टम, एक तो बहुत जल्द शादी कर देना, और जो दहेज प्रथा है, ये सिस्टम, ये रिजल्ट होता है जेंडर इनइक्वलिटी का। व्हेन अ गर्ल इज मैरिड अर्ली, जल्दी शादी कर दी जाती है, एंड अनएजुकेटेड, और इस समय एजुकेटेड भी नहीं रहती, दिस मेक्स हर लीड लाइफ द डिपेंडिंग एंड देयर क्रिएट द जेंडर इक्वलिटी पैदा कर देती है। इलिटरेसी मतलब अज्ञानता, इट इज़ द बिगेस्ट फैक्टर, सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर है फॉर द जेंडर इक्वलिटी। द बर्थ ऑफ अ गर्ल चाइल्ड हैज़ बीन द रिमेन टू द ability in any family and right from her birth to that girl's parents have to spend plenty of the money on her, and especially at the time of her marriage. This factor forced the parents and they spend less of her education and the save more in her marriage. This kind of the neglect, the discrimination of women through the hands of their own female is lead to the wide distinction between the boys and the girls. According to the 2001 census of India, the literary level of the India is 65.38, in which the male and the female distribution 76.85 and 84.16 respectively. Male inheritance. Before the 2005, the women in our society has the right to inherit property. को प्रॉपर्टी का अधिकार दिया गया. This made her economical weak and unequal. बाद है efforts for the government. Government क्या एफर्ट डालती है? Number of the measurement have been taken from the government and toward the gender equality development of women. उनको उठाने के लिए कुछ कदम उठाए, जैसे इक्वल राइट, हर सिटीज़न मेन और वीमेन ने उनकी 18 साल से जो ऊपर की एज होती है उनको वोट डालने का अधिकार है. द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ पास द हिंदू कोड बिल हिंदू कोड बिल कमला एक्ट गिवन द इक्वल शेयर टू द वुमेन एंड प्रॉपर्टी टू पेरेंट्स, मतलब कि उनके पेरेंट्स की प्रॉपर्टी का उनका अधिकार होता है. इसके बाद एजुकेशन गर्ल्स हैज़ टू बी एजुकेटेड विद इक्वल स्टेटस ऑफ सोसाइटी, बराबर मात्रा में पढ़ाना है. इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द एजुकेशन गर्ल्स वेरियस स्कूल college exclusively women have to be started the municipal government private incentives more families are encouraged to them and the girls child to school and central government also but many schemes of program to be encourage the women education. Create facility. The government has passed laws and made the mandatory the organization that have been more than the 30 women employed to the private facility. Anti-dowry law has been in 1967 and was amendment in 1984 that the given to the taking the dowry is illegal. Seeking the dowry to be the box under the section of the Indian Penal IPC. According to this the law, the basic of the filled by the woman and the husband and the family members can be sent to jail. Class को जेल भेजा जा सकता है. We have completed this chapter here. We will start our revision from tomorrow. Thank you so much, class.